Today, I have brought a very reliable and amazing Japanese car that is considered one of the best options for those who want a smooth, comfortable, and budget-friendly vehicle. This car is perfect for daily use as well as long drives, offering complete confidence and peace of mind. The car I have with me today is a Toyota Vitz FL, known worldwide for its quality, durability, and smooth driving experience. This Toyota Vitz is a 1999 model and was registered in 2007. Its color is a beautiful metallic mint green that stands out in sunlight and makes the car look modern and stylish despite its age. The car has only been driven 109,000 kilometers, which is excellent for a car of this age and ensures that it has plenty of life left. The Vitz comes with the FL Key Start package, which makes starting the car convenient and easy without any hassle. One of the biggest advantages of this car is its engine. It runs on its own original petrol engine, which has been well maintained throughout. The engine delivers a very smooth and responsive drive, whether you are driving in the city or on the highway. The car handles corners and turns effortlessly, and the suspension system is perfect, giving you a comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. There is no mechanical work required, and everything is in perfect working condition. The air conditioner in this Toyota Vitz is chilled and fully functional, making it a perfect companion for hot summer days. The climate control ensures that the cabin remains cool and comfortable, providing a great driving experience for both the driver and passengers. This is a major feature that buyers look for in a used car because it adds value and comfort to the overall driving experience. The car comes with brand new tires and stylish alloy rims, which not only improve its look but also ensure better stability and safety while driving. The exterior has been well kept, with only minor touch-ups, and the metallic mint green paint still shines beautifully. The interior is original and clean, offering a neat and comfortable space for everyone. The seats are well maintained, the dashboard is clean, and all electronic components work perfectly. Another point to note is that all the lubricants in the car have been recently changed. This includes engine oil, gearbox oil, and other essential fluids, which means the car is ready to drive without any additional investment. Regular maintenance and proper care have kept this car in excellent condition, making it a smart choice for anyone looking for a reliable vehicle. Toyota Vitz is known for its fuel efficiency, and this car is no exception. It delivers good mileage, which makes it ideal for daily commuting and long trips without worrying about frequent refueling. Its compact size allows easy parking in tight spots, and it is easy to maneuver through city traffic. This makes it a perfect choice for families, young professionals, or anyone who wants a dependable city car. This car is also very safe, with a solid build quality typical of Toyota vehicles. The brakes, suspension, and overall structure provide a stable and secure driving experience. The car has been maintained in a way that ensures it remains reliable and safe for the road, giving you complete confidence when driving it. In terms of style, the Toyota Vitz FL stands out among other cars in its category. The metallic mint green color is unique, and the alloy wheels give it a sporty and elegant appearance. The car looks fresh and well kept, and it still gives the impression of a modern, high-quality vehicle despite being a 1999 model. The car is perfect for those who want a budget-friendly Japanese car that is fully functional, reliable, and stylish. Its smooth engine, chilled air conditioning, new tires, and overall condition make it an excellent deal for anyone looking to buy a used car. Whether you are a first-time car buyer or someone looking to upgrade to a dependable daily driver, this Toyota Vitz FL is an ideal option. The demand for this car is 16,45,000 rupees only. Considering its excellent condition, low mileage, and overall performance, it is definitely a great investment for anyone who wants a reliable, comfortable, and stylish car. The car is ready to drive, and no work is required. It is a perfect choice for anyone who wants to enjoy a smooth and hassle-free driving experience without spending extra on repairs or maintenance. If you are interested in a car that is smooth, reliable, stylish, and budget-friendly, this Toyota Vitz FL is a perfect match. It offers comfort, style, and complete peace of mind, making it one of the best options available in the used car market today. You won't have to worry about any issues, and it provides an excellent driving experience for years to come. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more amazing cars, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates.